utang, kalayaan, connected ba sila? Tara, let's talk law. Hi guys, Attorney Rico here, and let's talk about the most frequent question that I get. Pwede ba akong makulong kung hindi ako magbabayad ng utang? The quick answer is no. But there is a big but that we have to know. In the Philippines, our constitution says no person shall be imprisoned for non-payment of debt. So, kung utang lang, like personal loans, credit card loans, or pautang ni kumare or kumpare, walang kulong. But, here comes that but that we talked about. The most important thing is, you can still get into legal trouble in other ways. Number 1, if you issue a bouncing check. Ano po yun? A bouncing check is a negotiable instrument, or ito po ay isang papel or instrumento na ini-issue natin. Yun pala, walang laman yung account or yung bank account related or connected sa check na yon. Kasong kriminal po yon if alam po ninyo at the time na in-issue nyo yung check, alam nyo namang walang laman yung account na yon. Number 2, if may nagpahiram sa atin, pero nagpahiram lang sila sa atin dahil sa ating panloloko. In other words, fraud or estafa. Ano pong magiging proseso if mangyayari po yon? What will be the process if you don't pay your debt? Number 1, the creditor will issue a demand letter. Number 2, if after receiving the demand letter and despite demand, you still can't pay, then the person may need to take you to court. If that happens, he would have to file a civil case, a collection suit. Just basically, if you don't pay despite receiving the demand letter, you'll be brought to court for hearing, for trial, for a case. And what happens once the case is done? If he wins and manages to prove na talagang may utang ka, the judge will order you to pay back the loan. How? They'll be taking it from your properties or your salary by the form of garnishment. But still, despite all of that, there is no jail time. Because, as I said, ang utang, unlike estafa or yung bouncing check na na-mention natin, there is no crime. Wala pong krimen, wala pong preso. Properties lang ang pag-uusapan. At yun lang din ang hahabulin ng korte laban sa inyo. So in conclusion, remember, utang does not equal kulong. That's all for now. Bye!